Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree Wix tutorial. Today I'll be running through on how to add a payment plan and also how to add a store on a non-e-commerce site. So yes, let's go ahead and get started. So on our left here we've got our little sidebar. So we've got our add elements, add section, and pages menu. That's our three most important ones. We're gonna go ahead and click on pages and menu first. And we're going to go ahead and add a page. So it'll give you this little screen here, and there's a couple of options there for about, services, projects, contact, general, landing page, 404 error page, store, which is what we want to go through, bookings, blog, pricing plans, and dynamic pages. So yes, we'll go ahead and click on the store. So this is currently a non-e-commerce site, so we'll go ahead and turn it to an e-commerce one. So click on add Wix stores. So wait for that to load up. So it should give us a little shop now. As you can see, it's doing its little thing here. Perfect. Right, so now we've got our supposedly PT Arts shop and selling a couple of products there. So yes, now if you wanted to add a payment plan, show you guys now. So just click on the add elements, and then it's right there. So there we go, we've got the pay buttons, but if you need to find it as well, you just click up on the search bar here, just click on payment button or pay button. And as you can see there's a couple of different ones. If it stays still, pay buttons, there we go. So pay now, buy now, purchase, get it. There's a PayPal buttons as well, where you can choose to buy or donate. But we're gonna go ahead and click on, we'll just do the PayPal one. So yes. So perfect, yes, as you can see here, we've got our PayPal button. So we're able to just drag that about. Just extend this part a little bit. There you are. And I'll run you through this one as well. So if you just click on settings, here we are. So you can actually just change that about, but we're sticking to the buy now. And this is where you need to connect your PayPal account. So you just type in your email, and you can have your offline payments if you wanted to. And then you can have that within a product. So you could just have it under here for each one if you wanted to. You can change the design as well, but that is the original, PayPal button. So yes, that is one of the options there. You can have your little PayPal button, or you can just choose from the selected ones there as well with the buttons. As you can see, got a couple of the pay buttons. So yes, with the pay button as well, go ahead and click on one there, actually. Go ahead and show you guys. We'll just go ahead and click on the purchase one. I'll show you how to set this one up as well. So if we go to the manage payment methods, you'll be brought up with the dashboard for Wix. Let that load. So you'll have the Wix payments, and then basically you can complete setup and just have it with credit card, Visa, just whatever you want as the payment. And then you can also connect your PayPal, which I've done so earlier on. And then In order to activate this, you do have to be on a premium plan. So you have to click on the upgrade now. And this is when you'd have to pay your sort of monthly in order to activate this sort of plan. But yes, there you are. So yes, guys, hopefully this tutorial has helped. If you guys have any questions at all, just leave it down below. And yep, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much.